We are wallpapering our very boring bathroom. The bathroom had this kind of mint green paint everywhere. This is the main bathroom. It's very small. So I started the wallpaper back in this corner, and I wallpapered here. And I'm ordering a new shower curtain from Macy's and some new rugs. And we haven't hung the the towel rack back up. So here's this problem area here now. This toilet is like right up against the wall. But I took this tool and I also used a test piece of paper. See if I can get the paper down there without taking the toilet out. And then also these mirror hooks here. And I don't feel like taking them out because I don't know even how to get them back in. And the mirror's got two little hooks that it hangs into. And then I got this in my way. And then this sink in my way. So, the next strip is going to be a long strip. So what I'm planning to do is that after I wet the wallpaper, and usually I hold the top and the bottom is folded up, but that's going to present an ungainly problem. So I'm going to fold it up and have the bottom sticking out, so I can just slip the paper down. Then I'll go up and I'll match it. I have to have my husband help me with this. And I got a ladder to straddle the toilet. And then the next piece after this is going to be hard because now I have to undo this light fixture and I have to take all the shades down, and then unscrew it, and then I have to come around here. But I'm wondering, how am I going to straddle this? How am I going to straddle this sink and hang the wallpaper up without breaking my neck? The vanity, I mean, yeah. How am I going to straddle this vanity here and reach to the top and then get the wallpaper behind this light? Now I can remove the screws, but the wires are going to still be there. I hope I don't end up electrocuting myself. I can tell you right now, this is the second wallpapering job I ever did on the bathroom, and it's going to be the last. It's really hard to do a bathroom. Yeah, so I got to maybe look online for tips and hints, because reaching this is going to be a problem. I've seen people standing on this sink, but I'm afraid that I'll break it. Anyways, so if I had to do it over again, I think I would have chose a wallpaper with more white in the background, because this bathroom has no windows in it. But it's better than what it was, I hope. So here is the bathroom done now. Let me go back here so you can see what it looks like. See? And it was very difficult. And this is behind the toilet. The way that I put the paper down worked. I put the bottom of the paper, dropped it behind. And I just want to say that this was the most difficult wallpapering job I ever did in my life. Not only because it was difficult to, stand over this vanity and hang the wallpaper, but this wallpaper was like cheap or something, because I don't know if it was the paste or what, but I never seen the edges kind of like go up. They wouldn't stay flat. I had to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. And I don't know whether it was the paper or the paste. And one, especially on this side, I just ended up taking Elmer's glue and gluing it down.